Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I created this cute purple eye look. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm first going to start off by priming my eyes with my Smashbox concealer in the shade Medium Warm Golden. Eyeshadow, I will be using my James Charles palette. The first shade I'm going to take is the shade Escape, and I'm just going to apply that right into my crease as well as patting it onto my lid. The next shade I'm using is Love That, and I'm just going to apply that right above Escape to give it that nice ombre effect. To give it a little pop, I'm going to take the shade Artistry and apply that all over my lid and crease. For foundation, I'll be using my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation in the shade 3.2, and I'm just going to apply that with the foundation brush. Because I use a brush, I just like to go back in and take a dry sponge and pat my face to blend out any brush lines. For concealer, I'm just going to go back in with my Smashbox concealer and just highlight my under eyes, my chin, and around my mouth and blend it out with the beauty sponge. take my airspun powder and place that wherever I highlighted. For the rest of my face, I use my Maybelline powder in the shade Medium Deep. For contour, I'm taking my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. For my under eye, I went back in with the shades Escape and Love That. Next, I took my Definer Lash Mascara by Maybelline and applied it to my top and bottom lashes. To smooth everything out, I applied my Sephora Micro Smooth powder to make sure everything blends flawlessly. For highlight, I used a highlighter from my Carly Barbell palette. For my lip, I outlined using my NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. I topped it with this e.l.f. satin lipstick in the shade Cream and e.l.f. lip gloss in the color Champagne Glam. This is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.